Hi. When predicting the time divisions for your signal, we have to think about how many divisions there are in your oscilloscope. So there's 10 divisions on your oscilloscope, and if we know the frequency of the signal, for example 1 kilohertz, we can use our equation frequency equals 1 over time to get the period of our signal. So with a 1 kilohertz frequency, we have a period of 1 millisecond. And with 10 time divisions on our oscilloscope, we can divide 1 millisecond by 10 divisions, and we get 0.1 milliseconds per division. If I go ahead, I can go ahead and change the oscilloscope position here, and I can change the scale of the time divisions here. Since I know my signal should be 0.1 milliseconds per division, I can test this. So that is 100 microseconds per division to get one period of our sine function.